This is after it went.
Just doing what I've been practicing for every single day and putting it to use here, trying to see what I can do. This is, like I said, it's test week.
Rob, when your stuff goes down, do you add to your bag?
It all depends if I start tiny, but it all varies where the chart is, like depending on how much I think it's gonna go.
It's
like
not
it's
bad.
like, okay, I don't want to FOMO, but I'll throw like $10 in there if it does go, and it's like, okay, there it goes. It gives me more confirmation, and then I might do that, but usually I'm trying to get in at a really good position so I don't have to.
And you don't want to keep adding because you don't want your liquidation price to go up. The more margin you add to a trade on high leverage, the more you're going to lose 1%. You're down.
The only one I did it to is ETHW just today.
And look, I made a video. I made that 200 times $0 liquidation strategy video, and I think it's helped a lot of people. It changed a lot of people's perspective. I think that strategy is better than doing 5 times your whole bag, because the chance of something coming down 20% and liquidating you is much higher than the chance of something going to 0 and liquidating you. And you can still you're making pretty good gains, even $0 liquidation. People are like, yeah, Tame, but you're putting $30 in a trade. When that 30 turns into 2,000, your jaw fucking drops.
Yeah, I'm 351% on ETHW.
Funding rates might be the downside too of that strategy on.
No, funding rate was the upside. Like when Solana was negative funding rate and we were long, every 8 hours we're in the trade. It helps you hold it longer. We're getting paid like $100 to $300 in funding fees as well. That was beautiful.
That's only if you have a negative rate.
Yeah, if you have a negative rate. Ooh.
I mean, the higher the leverage, the more cost, of staying in the trade relative to the size of your position.
I just took profit on Matic, maybe a little bit early, but I earned 151%.
Nice job.
Profit.
I like they added
Nice
that P&L. They added P&L so I can show like dollar value.
Cool.
I told them to add the entry and exits as well. So I'll put that and show off your profits. I think Matic can still go up, but I'm microscoping it here.
Come on, Doge. Don't give up just yet.
Rob, all your buys are limit buys?
Mine? Yes, sir. Yes,
Never do market.
Limit buys and sells.
No, but Robert, I was asking how much did you risk, because I want to know like how beautiful was your trade. Like what was the risk to reward on that? But basically,
You want to talk money?
Yeah, I do market buys.
What was the risk to reward on that trading setup?
Very little risk, very high reward. The way I'm doing it. But I'm using my strategy too, not just tame stuff. Okay, I did some calculations with Tame's mathematics, perfect. But I'm still doing like what I've learned, you know what I mean? I'm still playing the chart like I normally would.
Like if it hadn't worked and you would have taken the loss.
It's a big loss if it goes the other way. Yes, it's huge.
So I have a $10 difference if I do a market sell or a limit sell. Only $10 difference on a $33,000 trade. So
okay,
market sells aren't that bad. Sorry to cut you off.
No, I agree. No, this is conversation.
I'm microscoping ETH. I'm microscoping
But my liquidation is
Matic.
0, so I don't know. You know what I mean? I might let's say I throw a couple $100 in a 200x trade. My position is $57,000, but I only have $24,000 in the thing, but my liquidation 0. So what's the difference, really, right?
No, but you're gonna cut your losses if it doesn't go your way, right?
Yeah.
So
hopefully quickly.
at what point would you have taken the loss, and then you can have an idea?
It all varies on the trade,
was it
right?
really worth the gamble?
Yeah.
One thing I do want to say though to spot traders, to not be scared of market sells if you know about slippage. If you know what slippage means and you can avoid your slippage, you should not be scared of market sell. The price differentiation is going to be very minuscule. If you have slippage under 0.05%, you're fine. Even at 1%, it's pretty much very, very minuscule.
Hey, real quick, Drew, can we talk about that sometime, about how you run that and what you see and how you
all they do is they show me the slippage, estimated slippage right before I do.
Oh, okay.
As long as there's no slippage or very close to 0 slippage, it's like doing a limit buy or sell because there's enough orders on the book. That's what that means. When there's no slippage, you have enough orders on the book to absorb your buy or sell.
But at that point, do you push a market or do you push a limit buy if it's high?
No. Always market. I
So
don't.
you're just waiting for
I
that
don't- yeah.
number to drop,
I'm
right?
waiting. Yeah, I mean, if I'll do a smaller sell, if I'm in a situation, I'll see what orders are there, and I'll do the same exact amount of orders that are in that line,
Okay.
and then I'll wait for it to recalibrate and do another sell. But usually it's just I'm in and out. That's why I'm doing Doge, only Doge, Jasmine, and Chip because they always have enough volume for me not to have slippage on trades like $30,000. So
Okay.
Look at Matic. I took profits on Matic. I put it in show off your profits. 12512 was my fill. Let me draw that line on chart. 12512. 12512. I was very happy with profits. Let's see if we retrace hard. If we retrace hard, I can get another entry on Matic. I'm keeping my mind busy scalping some of these other coins while waiting on Doge and ETHW to do their thing. We kind of already did our thing, but still waiting for a little bit more.
I can take a mental break. Whew, that was intense.
I'm so well cushioned, Rob, that I could go out like to the park or something and be like very comfortable.
Oh yeah, me too. I'm about to go outside for a minute.
I actually might buy those glasses for $400. I just earned.
Did you see those things?
I just earned $421 on that Matic scalp, and I literally did a position for about 3 minutes.
Well, that's some tough work, so don't forget that. Spend your money wisely. But no, those glasses seem cool if they actually worked. You know what I mean? I'd be like, all right, these are kind of worth it for what I use them for. I wouldn't use them for like trying to use VR or video game. You know what I mean? I just use it to watch some charts.
Those glasses would be gold if they actually worked. So if you get it, let us know because I
know.
would love those. Like I can multitask all the time.
I could lay in the hot tub and relax, with my eyes closed, and then like open up and see charts.
Yeah, I wish. I hope it is like that.
Wow. Man,
just get
Matic's
for your
retracing
tub.
hard from that point.
You got all those screens, Rob. Just get one for your tub.
Yeah, I was thinking about that, but the cold.
No,
Really
no,
fucks
mount
them
it
up.
on your wall. The mount a monitor in your bathroom. So here's a cool thing, Rob. You can put a Roku device into a TV in a computer monitor. Roku device.
I want one of those glass things.
Oh, the
One of those
glasses.
glass things. Yeah, but then you can buy a cheap monitor and then flip it horizontally and run the cable down and into the computer, and you can have like a daily thing on the wall, like when you walk by. You know, it's just kind of working. It's just like a live screen telling you like what day it is and stuff. Not touch screen, but tells you like the weather, and it's pretty cool.
You can get that Japanese bathtub that gives you a shower, massage, dries you off in like 15 minutes.
That's too much. I feel violated.
I fucked up the chart, YouTube. Sorry. There it goes. Let me lock this chart. Let me look at YouTube, see if they can still see it. Why? It's a machine. Man, I pulled clutch on taking profit on Matic there.
Hey, Tame, Ethereum looks like it's going to pump on the 1 hour and the 1 day.
Yeah, on the 1 day, like these things are starting to look more bullish. But remember, we come down after, because we're overbought in hourly. We have to come down. We have to cool down. Our hourly RSI for Doge, it's about halfway 60. And that MACD is slowly, like MACD for Doge is getting primed. Like, look at this MACD pattern. Woo! MACD for Doge shedding the last bit of that bearish momentum. Am I still here?
Yep, you're still here.
Yep.
My YouTube's like auto refreshing when I'm trying to watch it. All right, there it goes. The YouTube looks a little bit weird.
You got a bunch of weirdos there.
You got a bunch of weirdos in here.
Yeah. Vago says one more trade. That will get you. If you catch yourself saying one more trade, that's like saying one more beer. Robert Sullivan says, anyone on YouTube that quotes prices has a position with that crypto, everyone. Not me, Robert Sullivan. Like right now, like when I talk about XRP or Matic, I'm already out of Matic. I just took profits. If I talk about XRP as well, I'm not holding any XRP, but I know they getting closer in the lawsuit. All right.
Doge is getting some interesting volume right now. At least on Coinbase.
So Melina, you already have your USDC on METC. Now you sell that for USDT, and you start using USDT on that spot. Don't jump into futures, please. For the love of God, don't jump into futures yet.
Yeah, please.
Like, someone asked me criteria for my green blocks. Proprietary information.
He looks at his cojones and then makes a decision. The left one's bigger, it's a green block. The right one's bigger, orange block. It's a good doji. There you go. Good puppy.
Drew, sometimes I buy coins and I got to put the slippage to 11%.
Slippage to 11%? What the
Yep.
hell?
Yep,
Why do you have to do that? What are you
God.
trading on?
on the DEX.
Oh, swap? Oh, swapping on things that have no liquidity pools.
Fun. Don't do that. I'm not suggesting do it. I'm
What are you
saying-
swapping? Like
What?
what platform are you swapping on?
Pancake swap.
Oh yeah, that would do. Wait until Pulse Chain come out. You're gonna be blown away. I'll be a swapper.
What?
I'll be swapping.
I love pancake swap, but I don't put much on there. God no. God no.
You think they'll have nice volume on Pulse Chain?
Oh yeah, very low fees.
Nice. I'll check it out.
There's incentive for people to actually provide liquidity there, and there's no admin keys. And
What?
Richard said there's no admin keys to change the taxes. So that the taxes on there, they are set in stone. They will never change. So the fees that you're being paid, like I'm going to become a liquidity provider on there probably for a short time.
Yeah.
That'll be cool.
Oh, bull flag on Ethereum, like on the 1 minute chart is bull flagging out up here.
Maybe we're
On
going to
what
have the flipping on Groundhog's Day. Maybe Doge and ETH are going to
Oh,
flip
EW.
Bitcoin. Let's go.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Maybe I'm going to get a little bit more Matic.
Horn.
Groundhog's Day flipping. That's what's going to happen. Let's go.
Come on, Matic. Make Daddy Tame happy. Caught sucker. I don't think that's YouTube appropriate, Tame. I can tell we're fucking pushing. Maybe I'll let Matic cool down. Let me let it cool down.
Yeah, Bitcoin.
Like if I buy, like if you're buying up here, try to get a quick scalp. Like I think Peachy's thinking about it. She's probably looking at something, thinking. I'll let you know that when the RSI is way down oversold on hourly, it's going to be way better entry.
It's like a vampire to a neck, like, yes.
Quick scalp, quick scalp.
I just took profit.
You got to be careful about that.
Take profit.
Yeah, I'm not going to do it EFW. I'm going to let things cool down. I earned so much profits. I caught myself. I almost started over trading. I caught myself right there. Like, I was debating about getting entry, but I was like, eh. Even if it goes up, I'm happy for the people it goes up, but I cannot over trade. I secure like over 20 bags in the last 8 hours. I'm happy where I'm at. I trade futures all the time, Corleone, but I don't like when people degen over leverage.
Yeah, I try not to overtrade, but yeah, right now I'm shorting GRT, but I think that might be my last. It's just a quick one. But
The futures, the
yeah.
SPY mini futures just made another top for the day on this candle right here. So, it's scaring me. And the DXY Peach, it's 418. Sorry, the SPY. Oh god, not DXY. The SPY is 418 up here. Like the SPY made another high today.
Team, remember I told you last week Tesla's gonna be 192 and today's 194.
That's good. I told people to buy Tesla at 106. I hope they did. God, I hope they bought it at 106.
Yeah, that would have been even better. But yeah, my dad made a good play on Tesla. So
Rob, do you think I can take a profit on EFW and get it on this bottom of the flag, about 4% drop from here?
Yeah, if it doesn't pump.
4% is a huge difference in like money.
Yeah, but
Every time it's going up 4%, I'm earning like $8,000.
I know.
$8,000 to $10,000. Like if I can sell it here, buy it here, it's like I earned $8,000.
Let's say you sell and it goes up a little bit, it keeps going. You know, buy back in higher.
Nah.
No, you wait, and it just keeps going. Boom, 560, 570, 8661, 6. Then what?
Is it Binance listing or after?
Next thing you know, Binance just listed and you sold.
Well, we'll see. I want it to price to double at least before Binance.
Yeah, that's true.
Keep eye on Bitcoin though, because it might getting some sell pressure soon.
No. We're so overbought and we just got rejected from liquidation block. I don't buy on those zones. You get rejected from liquidation block while overbought? No. Let that cool down a little bit. Let that cool down. I don't like giving away profits.
Take that money off the table.
I think it can go up, but I don't like to give away profits.
I'm saying like a flag on Doge over here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, I might have to jump right back in.
See that flag right here? It's
Well,
about
that's
to
the
push
thing. I'm
out of
selling
it.
Doge. Drew, I didn't take profits yet.
Right here, it's trying to push out of it right here. Let's see.
You said add more Doge?
It's about to push out of this thing.
What the fuck? Oh, that's 10,000.
Just needs
And
to.
if it does, cool.
9450.
I added another 1,000 contracts to Doge. I'm being greedy as fuck. I don't need this many contracts. I have double the contracts I need to become like super wealthy.
Shame you're an American. You need that many contracts. Sorry.
EFW just like in the middle of this flag here.
Watch this
Bitcoin
Doge
getting some
flag.
sell here. Just be careful.
We got a 3 minute. It's like perfect.
The thing is,
pretty.
it's a flat top though.
Not on the 3 minute. If you look at the candle on the Kakanashi.
Aikanashi.
I don't do Haikanashi
Why not?
because it goes against my religion.
Guys, I'm warning you.
The
I'm warning
creators
you.
of Hakanashi.
There's going to be a moment like the SPY is at the top, the mini futures at the top. We're at this 2 o'clock candle. Like things could start like getting a little bit spicy. Bitcoin's been following the SPY, but when that SPY comes out, that SPY is completely overbought in hourly. I'm talking about 97 RSI on the hourly. On the 4 hour, the SPY is at 89 RSI, and on the daily, it just crossed up to 83. Rarely in the history of time have we crossed 83 RSI and kept going up. We did it before, but right now, like that SPY getting so overbought, like people are at risk of becoming bag holders if they buy up here. I almost feel obligated to draw caution blocks, but you guys can hear me very vocally. Now is not the time to be micro scalping at the top. If we drop a little bit, you buy in. It's not that time. I'm the one to tell you. I'll even draw the blocks just to I'll do it. Fuck it. I'll do it for Bitcoin. I'm not going to do it for anything else, but I'll do it for Bitcoin just to caution you. At least Doge has a McDonald's Elon, but even on a short time frame, like things could start coming the fuck down.
ETHW.
Be realistic here. Watch the other things.
Ooh.
Go Matic, drop.
Yeah, that's why I'm propping on Matic and did not get the fuck back in.
ETHW.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Be
Sorry,
nice
I
to
don't
get
mean
for
to be
power
there.
hour. We got 1 hour power hour, maybe a little dippage, and then
Somebody
See what
fucking clip that. Clip that shit.
What?
Call the dip on the fucking
You did,
second.
yeah, you did it right on the candles.
On the fucking second. My name's
Come on, baby,
Tametheark.
let's go. Then he needs more coin.
Fuck. On the fucking second. Let me go clip that shit.
Flip it.
Yeah,
Flip
throw
it.
my Doge cell in there